Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to another episode from Pacific Arc Tig Welding. My name's Dusty. Thanks a lot for tuning in today. Today is just gonna be a crazy art piece. I'm gonna do a stainless TIG welding painting today. I've got a crazy idea up in my head right now. I'm gonna try and throw it down on some stainless plate. I got some 1/4" stainless plate. Yeah, we're gonna draw it. I'm gonna do it all freehand. I've done some sketching already, so I'll show some sketching of it. We're just gonna get it down. I'm gonna weld it up. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe, like, and most importantly, share. I'm really trying to grow my channel right now, so the more people that watch these videos, the more videos I'll be able to make. Yeah, I really appreciate anybody that's watched already and subscribed already. Leave some comments below if you got ideas for episodes you'd like me to address, different questions you'd like to have answered or anything like that. Just leave it in the comments below. I read most of them. I try and respond to most of them. If you do that, I appreciate it and thank you very much. Again, I have a website. You can check out my blog on there. I do a blog about welding. I have my online course, my online training programs on there as well. You can check out information on that. It's on screen right now. A link will be in the description below. Hope everyone's doing good out there. Have a good one. Peace. All right, so far, it's going real good, but I had to mess around with a few things. I started off by changing cup sizes a few times. I wasn't quite sure with what size cup was gonna be best for what I was looking for. As you can see, some of the stuff was coloring up a little bit too much. Sometimes when I get too much color, I kind of want to introduce a little bit more gas coverage to get it a little bit more gold or that rose color you can see here. But yeah, for the most part, I basically balanced anywhere between a 7 cup and a 5 cup. Everything with those cup sizes was going pretty good. I had a little bit more tungsten stick out, which helped to keep some gas coverage that was still good. However, with a further stick out, you get a bit more coloring in your welds, which is good. So, so far it's going really well. I'm about to start the, if you can see here. So I got the insides of the faces done. I'm gonna save the eyes for last, but now I'm gonna do the outline of the faces. I'm really nervous for this part. I'm hoping I don't screw it up, so wish me luck. Okay, so we're done that stage of it. I'm pretty stoked to be done the stripes for the face. I was super nervous for that. I was really nervous to screw up the lines. It's pretty easy to lose the line when you're in the middle of a pass. You'll look at it without your welding lens and know exactly where you're going, but then as you get going, you lose track of it pretty quick. So I was super nervous. My hands are super cramped and exhausted right now, but I think it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty stoked with it. So next up, we're gonna do the eyes. I'm gonna switch cups and try and get some cool colors in the eyes. I really want colors to pop on that one. But yeah, we'll do the eyes and we're gonna do some more dot work and try and keep it looking as good as we can, and we'll see where it goes from there. Eyeballs up next. Okay, so I've got this piece of live edge wood. My father-in-law had a big chunk of it, and he very kindly cut me off a big chunk. So I'm gonna probably hit this with some sanding. As you can see, I've started mostly working with something real fine like this. I wanna have, I don't wanna remove a lot of the material from it. It's got like a lot of really cool grain lines and stuff and saw marks, so I wanna keep all that in it. So I'm gonna just try and hit it with something like this to kind of just like soften everything up before I stain it. See how it turns out.